Hey fam, this week's video I'm cleaning up this filthy Xbox One S. It's a family Xbox and it's been neglected for a while, so we're going to get it cleaned up, and next week I'll probably open this bad boy up and actually give it an interior clean. So if you're interested on seeing how that's done, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate all my subscribers already. Thank you so much guys, and we'll jump into the video. So as always with any cleaning job, going to get the good old faithful toothbrush and a cotton bud this time. Cotton tip, whatever they call them. You can put them in your ears, clean them, but I wouldn't recommend. I've had bad experiences with that. Isopropyl alcohol's next, and you can use methylated spirits as well from memory. That'll do the job. And baby wipes. Magical stuff these are. These will clean pretty much anything off anything. And a vacuum cleaner. Nearly missed that one. Get the vacuum cleaner out and just clean up all the excess dust. There'll be lots on there if you're slack like me. So just, yeah, get into all the grooves, get into all the holes. Take advantage of the suction that the vacuum cleaner has and try and get as much dust out as you can, especially in the back ports as well, because what I'm about to show you next, you're going to want all the dust out for it, otherwise you're going to end up making a bit of a mess. And sorry about those distracting Mario noises, they're actually from the video speeding up and the vacuum cleaner creating the suction. Pretty cool, eh? Anyway, we'll move on. The isopropyl alcohol here, where we're about to spray that, don't be scared. I just want to quickly show you is, if you spray that on a surface, or anywhere really, it's going to evaporate really quickly, as high percentage alcohol will. So don't stress about what I'm about to show you. This USB port here on the front of the Xbox, we're going to start with that. Just spray it inside the port, and just give it a good scrub with our old trusty toothbrush again. And then you flip your device over, and work on all the back ports as well. Now, as I was saying earlier, you do want to make sure that these ports are clear of dust first, otherwise when you spray the alcohol in, you're basically just going to make a big sticky gooey mess, and that's going to build up inside the ports, and you're going to end up in a worse position, so wouldn't recommend. And I kind of did that here. I used my toothbrush on the front afterwards, so I'd probably recommend trying to do this bit before doing the back. And for that, I've ended up grabbing a cotton tip and started cleaning it out with that instead. I'd probably recommend trying to use this first, then use the toothbrush, but anyway, you work out what works best for you. Here's a few different methods, but you can see on the cotton tip exactly how dirty it can get in there, and you just want to keep running that through until it does get a lot cleaner, because there's like some material fluffy stuff in there, and it really likes collecting dust. Then I just gave it a bit of a blowout, or you can use the vacuum cleaner again, but I like my little rocket ship. Yeah, we'll use that and then fly it away again. Now we're on to the next step of grabbing our baby wipes, and we can start to get rid of a lot of the gunk and stuff that's built up. God knows what my children have put on this Xbox, but yep, they've managed it, and I'm sure they'll do it again. So yes, thank something for these baby wipes. I don't think we can say this on YouTube. Still getting used to it all, but anyway, so we get that all cleaned up. And then you've got all the holes. There's lots of little holes and stuff here, and they're really annoying to try and clean up. So the best thing I've found is a stiff brush or the toothbrush, but it does take a bit longer. Just spray the isopropyl alcohol or methylated spirits into these little holes and probably let it soak for a bit, and then give it quite a good scrub. So I'll just do a bit of a demonstration here. You can see just a light spray. You don't need too much. Now if you are going to let it soak, probably only need to let it soak for 2 or 3 minutes, something like that, and then get into it. As I say, a stiff brush is going to be much more effective, but you can see the effect here after me scrubbing just for a few seconds. It's lightening it up. Now, I won't make you sit through the whole process here. To be honest, I can't be bothered doing it, so that's going to do it for now. You can clean it up a bit more if you want to. Now, I'll link some more videos up here to do with Xbox cleaning stuff, controller things and that. And aside from that, thanks very much for tuning in, guys. A really, really big thank you to all my subscribers for tuning in. You guys are absolute legends. If you're not subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button? Leave a comment below if you've got any questions like usual. I definitely love hearing from you guys, and I reply to every comment. But aside from that, check out my other videos, guys, and I'll see you next week.